this lesson, you will learn about Craft Express Automatic Mug Press. It is the perfect beginner-friendly press. With just one button, you're able to adjust the time and temperature. With an automatic closing door, the press creates the perfect amount of pressure every time, no matter the size of the mug. By the end of this lesson, you will create your very first of many mugs. Let's review the materials and products we will need. We need the Craft Express Automatic Mug Press, an 11-ounce mug, measuring tape, and sublimation paper. I'm using mug size paper, thermal tape, tape dispenser, and a lint roller. For the next step, we're going to measure the area on the mug in which we are going to be applying the design to. I'm going to apply a design on the front and back of my mug. In this case, I don't want my design to be larger than 4 inches in width and about 4 inches in height. With these measurements, now we're ready to design. Let's head over to Canva. In Canva, click on Customize Size on the right top corner of the banner. We're going to change the sizing to inches and input the width and height. We're going to be using the size of the sublimation paper I will be using, which is mug size paper. For width, input 9.5 inches, and for height, input 4.0 inches. Select Create New Design. We're going to be creating a mug for a teacher. On the left panel, select the option that says Elements. Click it, and in the search bar, we're going to type School. Under Graphics, click See All and pick the image that you wish to use. Once you've clicked on it, drag it on the corners to size it up. I'm sizing mine to 3 inches. I'm then going to go back to Elements and search School Rainbow. Click on the image you wish to use and size it once it's on the canvas by dragging the arrows. Next, we're going to download our design, title it, and then hit Share. Next, select Download and switch the file to a PDF print. Select Flat PDF and select Save Download Settings, then click Download. I will be using a Sawgrass printer, so next I will open the Sawgrass Print Manager and the print I have just saved. I'm going to drag my print over to the PrintMate. Make sure that the width and height is correct, that I have selected Mirror. Now I can change the mug size paper and ceramic for the type of substrate or product I'm using. Then select Vibrant and click Print. Turn on the mug press by selecting the button. Let it heat up to factory settings. The blinking orange light indicates that the press is heating up. The green button means it has reached the set temperature. Hold the button one more time until it turns orange. Once it turns orange, we're going to set the temperature. Keep clicking the button until you have selected the desired temperature. In this case, 392 degrees Fahrenheit, the button should be lit up. Once it stops blinking, hold the button again until it turns green. This time we're setting the time. The button that is not lit up indicates the set time, in this case 100 seconds. Allow for the press to stop blinking. Once it stops blinking, we're going to click on the button one more time to turn it back on and wait for it to heat up. While we wait, we're going to prep our mug. Take a lint roller and clean it. Then, wrap your design around your mug and, using thermal tape, secure it down. When the mug is ready to go, we're going to place it in the mug press. The mug press would automatically close. After 100 seconds are up, the press automatically opens the doors and we are able to remove our mug. Remove the wrap, being very careful. Look how beautiful and vibrant these colors turned out. Congratulations! You have created your very first mug using the automatic mug press. Go on to the next video to learn more.